Hi, I'm Julie Brooks, the owner of Peaceful Place Home Organizers. What you're looking at are before and after photos of closets that we have organized for our clients. Let me explain a little bit about the process. Believe it or not, we have accomplished these jobs that you're looking at in 4 to 6 hours with 2 organizers, and it only involves about 2 hours of the client's time for making the editing decisions. So we take all the clothes out, we sort them by type, we facilitate you making the decisions to decide what you're going to keep and what you're going to let go, and we put everything back, we fold everything nicely, we put matching hangers, we order appropriate containers for holding shoes, belts, scarves, and at the end of the process, you should have plenty of swing room on your closet rods. You should be able to easily find all of your clothes and easily put them all back. And if it requires putting some clothes away for seasonal storage, we will make sure that they're properly stored away and safely stored away for you. So if you are stuck and overwhelmed with your closet, consider getting some professional help, and your closets can look just like these.